What's up, everybody? It is Wednesday, May 8th. Out here hooking up the boat, as you can see. We're going to go fishing. We are going to go bass fishing. We're going to do another Santee bass fishing video. My buddy Greg's going to meet me over here. Also doing another catfishing video tomorrow evening. Well, it'll probably be evening / night. See if we can get on some more big catfish. But got some awesome stuff coming to the channel. But before we go any further, be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I got some awesome stuff in the works. Next Tuesday, Josh, who you saw in the previous bass video from a week and a half ago, Yeehaw 27 himself, we will be doing a crappie fishing video at Lake Watery. So should turn out good. Anytime you're on the water, it doesn't matter if you catch any fish or not. It's always a great time to be on the water. But like I said, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, stay with us. We'll bring you some good videos, but we will see you at the lake. He loves fishing Santee, so we're gonna see if we can't get on some bass. Beautiful day today, wouldn't you say, Greg? An absolute gorgeous. You have one? Really? Already? Man, bro, what you throwing? All right, so Greg's throwing a spinnerbait with a mega bass. What you got on there? With a mega bass trailer. And I'm gonna tell you what, if y'all want to comment on what we're throwing today, because we're gonna be throwing a variety of lures. It's a little after 4 o'clock. We're going to, we'll be sure to, comment back and let y'all know what we're throwing. Right now, I'm throwing a shaky head, a green pumpkin, green flake. A lot of times in the middle of the day, these fish are hunkered back up in these shady areas, as you can see. And so it's real good to slow it down a little bit. Wouldn't you say, Greg? We've got some beautiful spots to fish up here. Some absolutely beautiful spots. It's just gonna get better this evening. Once that sun starts to go down a little bit and them shads start schooling up. So I like throwing a shaky head. It is not one of my favorite lures. I would probably go with the wacky rig as one of my favorite lures to use, but it has its place. It's really a good go-to lure if you're having some trouble. Like these points of these grass beds. Like, watch this. Work this frog to this point and make it seem like a frog. You saw that right there? I got him. I got him. I got him. He's a good one too, but good gosh. Maybe not. No, that's a good bass. Like I said, work that mug to the point. There you go, folks. Got us a good bass to start with. Damn, that garfish right there. That's a big one. Right in front of the boat. Good one. Whoa, 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 whoa. I got him. Yeah. Easy, buddy. That's what I'm talking about right there, guys. Look at that right there, Bubba. Oh, man. Yep, I got him. He hit the mess out of it. He got off.